There is always one question arises among ourselves, that if there is God, how can we connect to Him? Is there any roadmap to it? The answer to this question is, yes, there is only one way, by which we can connect ourselves to God, that is the way of meditation. Just as there are many paths to get to our destination, there are many ways of connecting to God that transcend religious and sectarian boundaries. Many people practice prayer, a simple yet deeply effective method to become self-realized. We should practice prayer, but most preferred method for developing spiritual strength is through meditation. Out of the many types of meditation, mantra meditation is better. This means spending some time daily focusing on mind, on sacred sounds, chanting the name of God, by which we can free ourselves of anxiety. Modern science recognizes the huge benefits of meditation, relieving us of stress, giving us a sense of purpose, thus enabling us to become more creative, amongst many other benefits. However, ancient Eastern literature gives us deeper insight. Meditation is like a plane, it first takes you high, then far away and then further away in a way that a person is unable to notice or feel. I see meditation like a plane because when you take off, you immediately start gaining altitude. We experience worry and anxiety in life because we take things out of perspective. Meditation enables us to look down at all our anxieties, problems and worries through a higher vantage point, thus giving us a great sense of peace and calmness. The deeper effect is that meditation carries us far. It completely transforms our character, develops the best of qualities within us and allows us to experience self-realization. Through meditation we become the best versions of ourselves. But this takes time and is often not noticeable. For example, if you look outside the window on a plane, it does not look like you are moving very fast. But 8 hours later, you're landing halfway across the world. Meditation becomes difficult because of our mind. It is said that the mind is like a restless monkey, always jumping from one thought to another. It does not become peaceful just because you say so. It needs to be controlled. Therefore, meditation is a discipline that helps us control the mind. People who meditate develop a habit of practicing sincere gratitude which helps them in all their relationships. It is a relationship-strengthening emotion because it requires us to see how we've been supported and affirmed by other people.